What if I told you that Israel's tiny size hides one of the world's most powerful military economies? From cutting-edge drones to secretive defense startups, this small nation controls technologies that shape the global battlefield, and the profits are staggering. Today, we're going inside Israel's military tech secrets that most people will never see. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into Israel's military technology secrets, and trust me, some of this will shock you. Many people don't realize that Israel, despite its small size, has built a defense industry worth billions of dollars. This tiny nation has transformed itself into a global powerhouse for advanced military tech, producing drones, missile defense systems, cyber defense platforms, and more. What's even more fascinating is how much of this technology is commercially available. Israel exports billions in defense tech to countries worldwide, often shaping regional power balances without the world noticing. In this video, we'll explore how Israel's economy, military, and technology intersect, creating a secretive but highly profitable ecosystem. From stealth systems to AI-controlled weapons, every piece of this puzzle has been carefully designed for dominance. Stick with us as we uncover the economic strategies, hidden innovations, and military secrets that make Israel a unique force in global security. By the end of this video, you'll see how a nation of under 10 million people can influence wars, economies, and technological trends worldwide. Israel's defense industry is a multi-billion-dollar powerhouse, contributing nearly 15% of the country's GDP when you include exports. Companies like Israel Aerospace Industries, Elbit Systems, and Rafale Advanced Defense Systems dominate the global market, providing solutions from missile defense to cyber warfare. Israel's economy cleverly integrates military tech with civilian industries, often turning cutting-edge defense research into commercial products. For example, GPS systems, cybersecurity protocols, and even agricultural drones have roots in military applications. The country's innovation-driven model relies heavily on small, agile startups, often founded by former military engineers with first-hand combat experience. This gives Israel an edge over much larger nations that rely on slower, bureaucratic defense contractors. Today, we'll break down how these companies generate revenue, maintain secrecy, and collaborate with foreign governments to dominate the global arms market. By understanding Israel's economic strategies, you'll see why nations are eager to purchase its technology and how Israel leverages its small population to achieve outsized influence on the world stage. Israel's drones are among the most advanced in the world, and they're not just tools of war, they're economic assets. These unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are used for surveillance, precision strikes, and intelligence gathering. The Israeli military and private companies like Elbit Systems export drones worldwide, including to countries in Europe, Asia, and Latin America. These drones are equipped with AI, advanced sensors, and autonomous navigation systems, giving them unmatched capabilities. Beyond their combat applications, Israel also sells drone technology to civilian sectors for agriculture, disaster management, and border security, creating multiple revenue streams. These programs are tightly controlled and secretive, making it difficult for outsiders to know exactly how advanced Israel's fleet really is. Investors and governments alike are paying millions for access to this tech, giving Israel both economic and geopolitical leverage. The combination of small-size, high-tech expertise and export-driven strategy ensures that Israel's drones remain a cornerstone of its military economic strength. Israel's Iron Dome and Arrow missile defense systems are world-famous, but the economics behind them are equally fascinating. These systems were developed through years of intense research and collaboration between government and private companies. While designed to protect Israel from attacks, they're also exported to allied nations, creating huge profits. The Arrow system, co-developed with the United States, represents one of the most expensive and sophisticated missile defense programs ever built. Each missile and radar system carries a price tag in the millions, yet countries willingly pay for this technology because it saves lives and secures borders. Israel's defense exports don't just generate revenue, they also strengthen political alliances, influence foreign policy, and give Israel a strategic advantage on the global stage. Behind the scenes, the military-industrial complex ensures that technological innovation continues while maintaining secrecy and profitability. Israel is often called the startup nation, but it's equally the cybersecurity nation. Military tech feeds directly into AI and cybersecurity sectors, creating dual-use technologies that serve defense and commercial purposes. The Israeli military's elite cyber units train engineers who then launch startups specializing in encryption, cyber defense, and AI-driven threat detection. These technologies are sold to governments, financial institutions, and corporations worldwide, providing a continuous stream of high-value exports. Israel's ability to commercialize military-grade tech gives it a financial advantage over larger nations whose technologies often remain restricted within military budgets. By blending innovation, secrecy, and entrepreneurship, Israel ensures its economic and military dominance in the cyber domain. One of Israel's greatest advantages is secrecy. Many of its projects remain hidden from public view for decades, ensuring that competitors and potential adversaries cannot replicate their technologies. Classified military tech programs, often developed in collaboration with private companies, maintain Israel's edge in drones, missile defense, and cyber warfare. Secrecy isn't just about technology, it's also economic. Export deals, joint ventures, and research collaborations are often structured to maximize profit while maintaining confidentiality. This approach allows Israel to remain unpredictable, highly valuable to allies, and extremely competitive in global defense markets. By controlling the flow of information, Israel creates scarcity for its tech, increasing its market value exponentially. Israel's military-industrial model heavily relies on startups. Former soldiers and engineers launch companies that commercialize military tech for civilian use, creating profitable spin-offs. For example, technologies used in battlefield navigation or surveillance are adapted for agriculture, logistics, and autonomous vehicles. This military to civilian pipeline fuels innovation and economic growth. Investors from around the world pour money into Israeli startups, betting on technologies proven in military applications. This synergy between defense experience and entrepreneurship ensures that Israel maintains a constant stream of cutting-edge technologies, both for military and commercial purposes. It's a system that's small in scale but immense in impact. Israel doesn't operate in isolation. Its military tech economy is powered by collaborations with nations like the United States, Germany, India, and more. Joint research, co-production, and defense sales strengthen political alliances while generating massive revenue. Israel often customizes its tech for foreign clients, maintaining exclusivity while maximizing profit. These collaborations aren't just financial, they create shared dependency, giving Israel strategic leverage in international relations. By understanding Israel's collaborations, you'll see how technology, economics, and diplomacy intersect, allowing a small nation to wield influence far beyond its size. Israel's defense tech economy has deep societal effects. Military service creates a pool of highly skilled engineers who fuel startups and technological innovation. Export revenues bolster the national economy, fund education, and support public services. Defense technology also drives infrastructure development, from cyber networks to advanced manufacturing. In many ways, Israel's military tech economy is a self-sustaining ecosystem, continuously producing wealth, talent, and global influence. The average citizen might not see Iron Dome or Arrow missiles daily, but the economic benefits ripple through society, making defense tech central to Israel's national identity and prosperity. Looking forward, Israel's military tech economy shows no signs of slowing. Emerging areas like AI-driven robotics, autonomous systems, and advanced cyber warfare promise new opportunities and global influence. Israel is investing heavily in R&D, ensuring that its defense tech remains cutting edge while creating economic growth. By blending innovation, secrecy, and strategic exports, Israel continues to shape global security dynamics and maintain its position as a small nation with extraordinary power. The secrets revealed here show that military technology is not just about defense. It's an engine of economic strength, innovation, and international leverage. If you found this deep dive into Israel's military tech economy fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on more exclusive insights from around the world. Comment below which technology shocked you the most, and we'll explore it in our next video.